If you're a cyclist or bike enthusiast, you probably know the frustration of misplacing your bike or worrying about its security. But what if you could track your bike with precision? That's where AirTag Bike Mounts come into play. Now, I would like to share with you how to choose the best AirTag Bike Mounts. First of all, check the compatibility of the bike mounts. You must ensure that the bike mounts you use will work with the kind of bike you own. For instance, if you have a carbon fiber frame, you'll want to avoid mounts that clamp directly onto the frame, as they can cause damage. Some mounts may be better suited for certain types of bikes, such as those with suspension systems or unique frame shapes. It's important to research and choose the right type of bike mount to avoid any potential damage or safety hazards. Next, consider the durability. Whether the AirTag bike mounts are durable enough to withstand daily use. It is especially important if you plan to use them for long bike rides or in harsh weather conditions. Look for mounts that are waterproof and are made of high-quality materials that are designed to be strong and sturdy, with a secure locking mechanism to keep your AirTag in place. Third factor that you should focus on: ease of use. It is a key feature of any AirTag bike mount. It should let users to quickly and easily attach their AirTag to their bikes without requiring any complicated installation or tools. You don't want a device that takes ages to attach or remove from your bike. This would ultimately defeat the purpose of having a bike accessory that is meant to make your life easier. So, look for a device that is easy to install and remove without compromising on its stability and durability. Today, we'll explore the 10 best AirTag bike mounts available in the market, each offering a unique blend of style, functionality, and security. First up, we have the AirBeller Bicycle Bell for Apple AirTag. It not only securely holds your AirTag, but also serves as a functional bike bell, ensuring both safety and security while riding. Next, we have the SUPMEGA bike mount, known for its durability and reliable performance. It's a hassle-free solution to keep your AirTag firmly in place during your rides. The GRAPID bike mount offers a simple yet effective solution for AirTag attachment. With a strong grip and easy installation, it's a reliable choice for bike tracking. For those who appreciate multifunctional accessories, the STOUCHI bicycle bell is perfect. It secures your AirTag while also alerting pedestrians with its built-in bell. Casemate's AirTag holder not only keeps your AirTag secure, but also adds a touch of style. It's a versatile choice that blends seamlessly with your bike backslash. EFEALL offers a no-fuss solution with its AirTag bike mount. It's reliable, easy to install, and ensures your AirTag stays put during your rides. If you're looking for toughness, the NICEDACK AirTag bike mount is your go-to option. It's built to withstand challenging rides while keeping your AirTag secure. The IN-COG-NEATO bike mount is all about subtlety. It securely attaches your AirTag without compromising your bike's aesthetics. For those who prefer flexibility in placement, the TagVault Surface Adhesive mount is the answer. Attach it wherever suits you best. Lastly, we have the Anmuka bike mount, a practical and user-friendly solution for keeping your AirTag securely attached to your bicycle. With these 10 top AirTag bike mounts, you have a variety of options to choose from, each tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether it's style, durability, or ease of use, there's a perfect AirTag bike mount out there for every cyclist. So enhance your biking experience and add an extra layer of security to your ride with the best AirTag bike mounts on the market.